Top of the top, ride and grind. What we doing today? We're about to ride. Look at this guy. He's still half asleep. All right, all right. Look at him, look at him, look at him.
I'm just here so I don't get fined.
Whew. I'm about to get a ride in. I don't know how long. Oh man. We're gonna die today. Well, this is my first time out of what? Fuck it.
You gonna die today?
Damn, I haven't rode it like 2-3 years, huh? Damn.
And you chose today?
I know, today. It's the day. Woo. My knees already cracking and everything. That collagen better work right now. Park is active. Look. They out here working. Sun not even up yet. Jeez, what's your excuse?
Is that your fork?
That's how it goes.
Check it out.
Like that, then you lock it in.
So, I got a Fixie. I'm borrowing it. Look. Alright. And look what they got. You got a road bike.
100?
Check your.
You got a hybrid.
Sometimes it's more. Or less.
Whew. You know they're gonna be moving. I'll be in the back. Come on, man. Pump it up. Joe Budden. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Looking like a rider, professional rider, man. How long you been riding for, man?
That's my first time.
It's your first day? Damn. You looking cool. What you doing, huh? What's that? SF? Safety first? Get your ass, boy. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him.
Blue Brady, baby.
Let's go. Let's get it.
I'm safe as fuck. Look at me looking safe as fuck. Rata, where you at?
Ooh, damn.
Hey, are those the compression pads that I got?
He's about to drop some bars.
No?
Sheesh. First day back. First day back. First and last day back. Woo-wee. Wake that ass up, boy. Let's get it. Oh yeah. On the riverbed today. Yay! Where they at? Where they at? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh shit. Oh shit. I gotta.
There we go. We fucking safe over here.
Let's go.
Safe over here.
Boy. Let's get it. Y'all get it. Woo. Wake everybody up. But ain't nobody here though. All right, let's fucking go, man. Let's go, let's go. Beach right now. We made it. I think we're probably like 6 miles in already. Let's go. This is just the beginning right here. Check them out though, check them out. Strobe light, strobe light. There you go.
I'm tired.
Oh, okay. Alright, we're gonna stay hydrated with some LMNT. Ain't trying to cramp, you know? Alright, let's get it. Whew. Alright, my leg's still feeling good.
Got him.
College is helping. Yeah.
That's how you make sure like you get your way. Do some dumb shit like that.
Y'all ready for another 20 miles?
Boy, you trying to shave his ass?
Oh, what the hell? What the hell is that about? What the hell? Hey man, that was some outrageous shit right there. That's crazy. That's too early. Damn.
When you don't agree with a person,
Just say some outrageous shit?
yeah, say some crazy stuff.
Oh shit.
They should run with a siren.
Woo!
Hey, let's take this way back. Get extra miles. Shut up, man. Damn.
Back in the Cadillac.
You're doing it, okay?
Oh, push. Push, push.
Is it because you're back? Yeah.
Hey, didn't you say you want some snacks? 7-Eleven right there.
I'll wait.
You wait, come back. Come on, man. You guys got this.
It's the rhythm.
You guys got this. Come on.
The rhythm.
I feel sorry for the flight.
Right. Just keep you on the car and do something.
Oh shit. Look at him, look at him, look at him. All right. It's the eye of the tiger. Ready to fight.
Like out of a buffalo.
Remember them Seal Beach days? Oh, boy. Oh yeah. It's like a farmer's market, huh? Come on, bro. You all right, man? You with us? You all right? You with us, man? Damn.
You're doing good, kid.
It's probably cracking, huh? Whole lot of vendors and stuff. All right. Oh, look at him go! Look at him go!
Gotta
Fast.
save your legs for that hill.
I know, fast like a NASCAR.
That was good, huh?
I know. God damn. Woo! Woo wee! Been a while with this hill. It's hill versus me. Who gonna win, man? We gonna win. Let's get it. Come on. Shit! Look at him go. Look at him go. Hey, that boy got nods. He farting. Woo wee! God damn. Whew. Alright, I'm going. Seems like I'm going fast, but I'm not. It's wind. Ah, let's go. Come on. You alright, man? He ain't say nothing. He not good. Whew. Ah, God damn. Alright, we made it up the hill. Catch my breath. Woo-wee. We got one more hill. One more hill right there. Yep. There it is. Oh. Yes, sir. Good shit. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! No, wait, slow your head down, man. Let's go. Look at him go, look at him go. Alright, young Denzel. Come on. Let's go. Woo! Keep, oh, damn, that boy gone. Let's go. Ah. I got one hand on the camera, one hand on the handlebar. Woo-wee! Let's go. Choo! Go, motherfucker, go! Let's go. Come on.
I'll meet you.
Let's go. Ah. Goddamn. Whew. Hi. That shit got me. Whew. That was a good goddamn workout. For real. Whew. Man, we back on our old stomping grounds. Hell yeah, look at this. Whew. Hell yeah. Been a while. It's a good workout right here. Whew.
What'd you say, brother?
Shit, I'm back here. I didn't hear nothing, man. I didn't hear nothing. Is that a Rolls Royce? Oh yeah. Like a chamote. Check out them wheels. Made it. We made it. Oh man, for that ocean breeze. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, when you ride, you burning a lot of calories. You need to add. Come on, man. You gotta get your carbs in. One little hill right here, huh? It's a little bit. Sun is peaking. Sun is peaking. Ooh, got some gnarly waves over there, bruh. This is nice. Oh yeah. A good Saturday morning. Whew. Good way to start the day. Good way to start the day. Saturday morning ride. I don't know how many miles we doing. Maybe we're looking at 40. Whew. I'm already thinking about the food though. For real, for real. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Made it to the pier. All right, we are at 17.9 miles an hour and 27 minutes. Woo. Got it. We 17.9 right now. How y'all feeling? Y'all all right? Y'all good? No? All right.
Steak.
It ain't over yet.
It ain't over?
Cause Dennis still talking.
You heard me?
You heard?
You heard me?
Not too bad. I was just hungry though. It's all right though. Good reward at the end after we finish.
That's ready?
Yeah, let's go. A lot going on today. A lot going on. Jeez. Oh yeah. Come on guys, you guys got it. Yee! Ooh, that boy tired. That hunger kicking in, huh? Everybody quiet right now. Oh,
Concentrating.
I know. Going back is gonna be crucial. Whew. Newport. We made it. Yes. We made it. Yes. In there. Yesterday. Let's go, baby. Sheesh. I feel good right now. For real. Whew. Feel the ocean breeze. That's why it's cool. Whew. Woo! I seen that bunny hop. Huh. Oh yeah. Whew. Look at him, look at him. Oh, we made it. Newport Pier. Whew. Hell yeah. Got that seaside donuts. Woo. Cambodian.
Woo. 2 miles from here.
23 miles.
What's over there?
Almost 2
Take a
hours.
street. There's a whole bunch of hills, huh?
Whew. Feeling good, feeling great.
Hey, you know if we take the riverbed back the other way
Good work.
instead of coming from the beach, where do we go? Where we started at?
Good
Yeah,
work, guys.
Liberty.
Good work.
Where do we
Man.
end? You know this is riverbed and
Very,
then
very
Still
good.
Beach.
The 210.
The 210? Yeah. Irwindale?
Yeah.
And then stop right there. Don't go no longer. First?
Yeah, stop over there.
How far is it?
All right, guys. Good job. We're,
Job
what is that,
not done.
23.6?
Job not done.
All right.
Hey, fake ass.
Yes. We're going back. We're going back.
Kobe. You think he Kobe?
We're going back.
Let's
Let's get it. Woo. There it is. What's that? 47.1. 4 hours and 15 minutes. Sheesh. God damn. I'm exhausted. But we did that though.
It's alright.
Cut with the bullshit. He hurting his side. Shut up. Stop playing with me.
Watch me-
Look at that boy
watch
right
when you
there.
drive off, you see his little.
Why I do this to myself?
Drive myself home.
But good job, guys. Great job, man. Like I said, first day back, last day back, last day. First and last day, that's it, boy. Good ride with y'all. Hell yeah, appreciate it. And we out.
Good.
After 47-mile ride, this is well deserved. God damn. I got a triple scoop of protein. Yes, sir. Good shit. Look, he going in. He ain't waiting. He on. Look at that. Well deserved. That's what I'm talking about. Good job, fellas. Woo. Burnt from the sun. God damn.